sent to me by Step 2 Gold, and it is their Tada Chair Series 2 Pro. Now this is a walking stick with a chair. So I'm going to unbox this for you guys, and let's have a look at it. Oh. Well, look at that. It comes with a beautiful case. And it has a nice, long, adjustable strap. And then you can just carry it on your back if you're going somewhere. No hands needed. Velcro, which is easy to open. And I got the red. Now that is really a nice size. And it's very, very light, like super, super light. This is first impressions. I haven't seen one. Okay, so it says Tada on there, this way. Maximum load capacity is 300 pounds. It says push to open, pull to close. Tada Chair Series 2 Pro. The handle is a D-shaped handle, which is really nice. Here's your Tada chair. You just unclip it on the ground and push it. It takes nothing. So once you have your chair out, you need to make sure that you sit on it this way. You sit here facing the arm of your chair. That is the most sturdy way to sit on it. I'm going to put the chair like so. And we're going to sit like this. I think it's fabulous the way it is. If you want to have a drink and you're going to scroll on your phone and check your messages, you can do that. Don't feel like you're going to fall off or anything. You close the chair. So the chair is like this, and you want to close it. See the little handle here? You just pull up. And then you squish these two things together to lock it again. And that is everything. It is done. Lightweight, way to go. 2.5 pounds. You won't get tired of carrying it around. Grips on the bottom are very, very good. You have your walking stick and your chair in one. I don't think it gets much easier than that. I think you would be very, very happy with it. There we go, guys. This is the Tada Chair by Step 2 Gold. I suggest you get yours today. Please see the links in the description below.